Hello student, today we will design a game that is mouse catch game. We will design this game on Mblock app. For this, first we will click on this plus sign to open a new page where we will create that game. First we will delete this panda sprite here. Then we will add a mouse sprite. Go to animal section. You can also search here mouse. You can choose any mouse sprite. I will choose this. Then our first command is when click. Here the mouse should be moved where we will point. Okay. For this, go to motion section. Use point toward mouse pointer. Use this command here. I want to show the operation of this command. For this, I will take this command 3 times and also use wait command here. Okay. Then I will run this code. Look at here. Anywhere I will touch the screen, the mouse can turn towards there. Okay, fine. But we want to move our mouse continuously. For this, use forever command here. Then point towards mouse pointer. Then again run the program. You can rotate your finger on the screen. Your mouse can also rotate. Okay. Now your mouse is not moving, only rotate. For moving mouse, use move 10 step command here and replace 10 step with 15 or any you want. I want here 15 number. Look at here. Now mouse it's very fast. For making slow, put their number 7. Then again check. The mouse can move anywhere where we will point. Okay. Here we will also notice that the mouse look at the output. The mouse is flipped up and down, up and down, up and down. That this is a hanging process. To avoid this, we will add a other command here. Go to control section, if then command. Here we will put if the pointer distance. Go to sensor section. Use this command, the distance of mouse pointer. If it is greater than 20, then follow this command, otherwise no. For this, go to operator section, use greater than command, replace 50 with 20. Now again run the program. You can see now mouse is running properly. Okay, fine. Now add a other sprite, that is cat sprite. First command is pen play click, then forever. The cat should follow the mouse. For this, we will choose same command, point toward mouse pointer. Here, replace the mouse pointer with mouse. Now cat will follow mouse. Look at here. Cat follow the mouse. Okay. Reduce the size of the cat and mouse also. Cat size is 60 and mouse, this is mouse size. Cat size is 60 and mouse size is 50. Now again run. Cat is not moving. Cat is only rotating. For moving the cat, use here move 10-step command. Look at, replace the 10-step with 2. Cat is moving toward the mouse to catch the mouse. Okay, look at, cat is continuously moving. Okay, fine. You can also increase the speed of cat according to your, by replacing 2 with 3, 4, 5. You can increase the speed of cat here. No, 3. Okay. Now what happen when mouse cat touch the mouse? Go to mouse code or program. If cat touch the mouse, there should be eek sound. For this, use this command, pen play click. Use forever command, forever loop. Then go to loop section and say hello 2 seconds. Replace hello with eeks. Also replace 2 seconds with 0.1 second or 0.25 as we want. Now if cat touch the mouse, no, look at here, there is a forever eek sound because you have not given the condition here. Use the condition if then. If mouse touching the cat, for this go to sensor section. Use the first command, touching mouse pointer. Replace mouse pointer with mouse, sorry, cat. If cat touching the mouse, then eek sound should be. Okay, look at here, there is a no eek. When cat touch the mouse, there is a eek. Okay. Again, if cat touch the mouse, there is a sound, meow sound. For this, same process, when play click, control section forever, then if then go to sensor section, use touch mouse pointer, replace mouse pointer with mouse and go to sound section, and there is a sound. Use the first command, play sound until done. Okay, and then add the sound. Go to animal section, there is a meow sound here, meow. Okay, choose it, then run the program. Look at here, when mouse, fine student, this task is complete. Okay, thank you.